Mack Heat Pumps, Maine's alternative comfort.
I have a heat pump for my store, and my brother, my parents, and my cousin all have heat pumps.
Mack specializes in service and maintenance, and we're here for the life of your heat pump.
Daikin heat pumps are assembled right here in the U.S. and have the best warranty in the business.
A good heat pump product requires a great support team.
Mack Heat Pumps, Maine's alternative comfort. Our expertise, your comfort.